There's a light on the hill where the harbor winds cry, and the rain hits the roofs like a slow lullaby. Old boots by the door and a prayer on the wall, and a heart still hanging on through it all. She poured out her worries in a kitchen glass while the thunder rolled in from the past, and every drop that fell from the sky felt like a memory she couldn't deny. And she whispered low through the break of the night, Lord, keep my soul alright. It's rum, rain, and rosary beads, trying to heal up all the things she needs, where the salt of the earth meets a broken heart, and the dark feels heavy when the lights go dark. She's holding on through the stormy seas with a little faith and a few old dreams, in a harbor town where the memories bleed. It's rum, rain, and rosary beads. There's a picture frame with a faded face, a love that time could not replace, and the radio hums an old church tune through a lonely Newfoundland afternoon. She lights a candle when the power goes out, and she fights through the fear and the doubt, while the ocean keeps calling her name like it's part of the grief and the pain. And she breathes in deep through the storm outside, trying to hold back the tide. It's rum, rain, and rosary beads, trying to heal up all the things she needs, where the salt of the earth meets a broken heart, and the dark feels heavy when the lights go dark. She's holding on through the stormy seas with a little faith and a few old dreams, in a harbor town where the memories bleed. It's a rum, rain, and rosary beads. And maybe tomorrow the skies will clear, and the weight she's carried will disappear, but tonight she's just trying to breathe with a rum, rain, and rosary beads. Even when she feels alone, and through the storm she's learning to see there's still some grace in what might be, in every tear that the heart concedes, like rum, rain, and rosary beads. The rain keeps falling soft and slow, the prayer keeps echoing through the home, and the ocean hums her back to sleep.